Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring numbers. Kids class name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color. Kids night coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2 T W O 2. The numbers of 2. Kids night 3 and again use red color T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color S I X 6. 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.